Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about Concat method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. Now the concat method is used to join two or more arrays together. So let's just console log here concat, the string as a title, and let's get started with it. Now this method does not change the existing array, but it returns a new array which contains the values of the joined arrays. So let's create here a array. Let's call this const person, and we're going to give this a first name and a last name. Then a second array, info, and we'll put in here, let's say, the email, then the age and the address. And I'm only going to put in here strings. Now, when we wish to concatenate two arrays, we could do something like console log and concat within here, but I would like to put this into a new array, so the new array will concatenate one with the other. So let's call this new array with const personal info. And we're going to concatenate to the person array dot concat, and we're going to put in here which array we wish to concat with, and this will be the info array. Now if I would console log the personal info array, we're going to get first name, last name, and then also email, age, and address, which were the elements from the second array. Now of course we can also add to an existing array, so if I would do here another const address details, and let's type in here personal info. So let's add to the personal info array by using concat, so dot concat, and we're going to add city and street. Okay, and now if I would console log the address details, then we will also get city and street added to our personal info array. Okay, so hope you got this. This was concat, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.